Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share an amazing keto meal plan that will help you stay on track with your health and weight loss goals. For breakfast, we have a delicious spinach and feta omelette packed with nutrients and healthy fats. It's a great way to kickstart your day while staying in ketosis. Lunches will consist of flavorful options like grilled chicken with avocado salsa, or a refreshing Cobb salad with plenty of healthy fats from avocados and olive oil dressing. For dinner, we're going to enjoy a juicy steak with roasted asparagus and cauliflower mash. It's a satisfying and filling meal that keeps your macros in check. And there you have it, a simple yet effective keto meal plan for a week. Remember to stay hydrated, listen to your body, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any dietary concerns or health conditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay fit.